Alright guys, loaded down. Got Spanky inside, a golf cart, bunch of toys, bunch of tools, bunch of stuff for a 2-week trip. Getting some fuel, we're gonna hit the open road. Let's get this thing started. 1,100 miles to go. Scenery is looking a little different. This is where we parked last night. Got here about 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. 6:30 now. Nice little power nap. Wake up with a view. Check this lake out. At home? Little pavilion. I'm gonna bust my ass on these little pebbles. Just a Florida man out here in Crocs. Mountain climbing in Crocs. God dang, look how still that is. If you had a jet ski or a jet boat or speedboat, good Lord. Dang. Oh, there's like a big old bridge over there. Phew. You got mountains. You know you're not in Florida anymore. All right, got about 4 hours to go. Look at my hillbilly son coming down the stairs in his pajamas. No shoes and pajamas. It's great. All right. Got ourselves about a 4-hour drive till we're in Indianapolis. So let's eat some breakfast. Let's hit the open road. Catch y'all there.
Yeah, this is only like a quarter of it.
What are they cutting in the mountain for? Make it wider?
I believe so, yeah. Just if they would have any kind of rockfall, then it could shut down the highway.
Oh, yeah.
East North County Road 1025 East.
I don't remember this. Kind of would have thought it would have been a little bit.
Probably is. Probably went in the back gate or something.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
You know, Gainesville's got a ton of gates.
Yeah.
Got a tractor up there in them cornfields looking good. What do you think, Bubba? That's a turbo shirt. Look at this racetrack over here.
Wow.
NASCAR track. Well, it's raining. Bunch of cars. We made it. Pulled Spanky out so we can get the golf cart out, but figure I'll fire her up out here in this Indy weather, see what she sounds like. Track is freaking sick. What do you think?
It's raining.
Training. Nash, what do you think of this track? It's big, right? Bunch of fast cars. Oh yeah, it's long. That's probably a half mile. Was shut down. Indianapolis. As y'all can tell, we're not racing anytime soon, so Gavel's gonna get me a beer. Is that their winner circle? Maybe. If so, that's where Spanky's gonna be. This track is humongous, holy smokes. It's like up north Gainesville. Well, they don't have sidewalks in Virginia. Or God, why do I keep saying Virginia? Now it's a liquor store. Gas station didn't serve any beer, so liquor store it is. Hey, we can go get karate lessons. They ain't coming for us, I don't think. Takeover 10. Session stands. You're not supposed to do that. Still wet. Got puddles. But they're about to start scraping it right now. See what happens. It's supposed to rain again at 7. They said if it rains one more time, they're done. Let's go see. Well, that's a wrap. It's rained the second time. But look at this stuff. Push bar didn't work. So I just rigged that shit. It's gonna have to work. Oh my God. If it ain't one thing, it's another. And we're 1,100 miles away. But that'll do it for Friday's wrap-up video, guys. Catch you guys on the next one, which is tomorrow. You got a gas spill? Hey, that's not a winning technique. They overfilled the generator. But Spanky's inside. We're gonna go grab a beer. Can't do no racing when it's pouring. So Saturday is gonna have to be. I have a feeling Saturday's gonna be a little bit stressful. They're gonna try to push a lot of racing, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Drove 1,100 miles to come kick some ass. So see y'all tomorrow.